Hey guys, what's happening? How to use Bloom Solana Bot. So, of course, first of all, you need to go and download the Bloom Bot Telegram, which allows you to buy a Solana and start trading. So, I'm gonna walk you through the steps. Okay, first step, you're gonna go ahead and start trading by clicking Start Trading on Telegram. Okay, and your private key is crucial to access your wallet. Do not share it with anyone and be sure to store it safely. Okay. Next, you're gonna see right here the resources and everything, right? Just take your time before you start trading. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up my wallet, multi-wallet. If you want to deposit or wallet settings, you can go ahead right here and go to the multi-wallet, right? You can create, import, and manage multiple wallets effortlessly from your account, track positions and performance across wallets, okay? And you're gonna see right here in the deposit, if you want to deposit, you can see right, you can locate your wallet address and then deposit Solana into your wallet. Okay, so you can see right here useful links for trades, Telegram bot EU, US, Bloom Lounge, or Bloom X. Okay, next, location, right? They are currently supporting 4 different bot locations: Netherlands, Germany, US, and yeah, Singapore. Okay, and then you can start by addressing or knowing exactly how to withdraw or referral to get more profit, right? And you can see right here spot buy, spot sell, limit orders, Chrome extension, and obviously you can access the settings to see basically how is the settings or how are the settings set. And obviously you can see the fees, right? For buy fee, buy tip, sell tip, or sell fee. Okay, you can go ahead to the wallet, right, and click the wallet, and you can see right here basically a video also if you want to know how it's done, right? And you can see the wallet menu and everything, and the wallet setting, right? And you can go start, let's say for example, buying, right? A spot buy provides all the tools in settings you need to purchase a coin with one or multiple wallets. Okay, and basically if you want to know how to buy, enter the target token address or click switch to buy from the sell menu and then set the slippage percentage and select the Solana amount you'd like to buy and choose a preset or enter custom value. Okay, and then if you want to know how to sell the wallet, you can go ahead and select to sell the wallet or switch to sell from the buy menu, and you can sell 10% for example, or initials, or whatever, and then you could go ahead, okay, and select your option. Okay, so basically that's how you start your journey using your Bloom Solana. They will walk you through each step at a time. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next time.